am Kagisari Das from 9th Standard Real Academy, Alibag branch.
Hi friends, my name is Sayud Sawan, Real Academy 9th Standard from Alibag branch. Today we had made a project which name is Wind Power Generation, which is free-based energy on which will work on wind. Friends, we know that food, clothing, shelter are our essential needs, but we should add electricity in it because we can't just imagine our life without it. So we had made this project that it will work for rural as well as urban areas or there are no any source of light. So and due to increasing population, we are getting shortage of electricity. So we had a model of wind power generation in order to control the shortage of electricity, and as we know that nature gives a lot to us.
And to show people how it works. So this is blades fitted to a turbine. Typically they are 170 feet long from land. So when this turbines rotate, there is formation of magnetic energy in this turbine. In turbines, the nacelle converts this magnetic energy into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is converted into electricity. When electricity is formed, it is transferred from grid to this powerhouse. A powerhouse in an inverter. This store electricity can be used for commercial, residential purposes. So this is an example for using this electricity. We can use this electricity in street lights in rural areas. As we know that our rural areas are not as developed as urban areas. So we can use this electricity to rural areas modernize so that our country will achieve more progress. Now so we will show how it works. This turbine is fitted with an battery. When the darkness is applied to the sensor, this street lights on. So we can use this sensor in real life so that when night falls in rural areas, this street lights will automatically on. When this fan rotates, there is light generation in this powerhouse so that we can see that electricity is generated. So motive was to tell everyone that wind electricity is renewable and clean resource to generate electricity, which is rent free, and by using this we can stop pollution or urbanize the rural areas in country. So I hope this project will make you understand how it is important in our life. Thank you.